welcome to my channel, and here I'll be showing you how you can draw the auxiliary plan of a cube when you are given the top view and also the front elevation. How you can draw the auxiliary plan of a cube given the top view and also the front elevation. So let me show you how it can be done. So what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, so having this horizontal line, so we are constructing the plan first, and this is how the plan is going to be. So the plan is going to be inclined at an angle of 30 degrees in this direction. Okay, then so part of the plan is that I will draw a line with my 60 degree set square, so that it be at a right angle to the first line that we drew. Okay, so the length or side of the top of the cube is 30 millimeters, so this is 30. Okay, so I will also take 30 millimeters from here. Okay, so this is 30 millimeters here. Alright, so I'm going to use my 30 degree side of my set square, so to draw this line, and also to draw this. Alright, this is the top view, which is a square, and I've numbered the points on the corners 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we are going to draw the front elevation. Okay, so for the front elevation, so I'm going to draw a vertical line from this point 1, so it goes up like this. Then I will draw a vertical line from this point 4, so it goes up. And then from point 2, I will draw a vertical line like this, and from point 3, I will also draw a vertical line. Alright, so the height of the cube, I'm going to also make it 30 millimeters. So the height also 30 millimeters. So don't forget that it's a cube, so the 3 sides are equal in length, so we make this 30 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Here I will draw a horizontal line like this. So this line, I'm supposed to make it a thick line, so from here to here. Okay, so then other lines. So if I'm looking at this object from here up, so this line, I'm going to see this corner, so this line will be a thick line. This will be a thick line. Okay, so also I will see this line, so this line at point 2 will be a thick line like this. And also this, I will also see this corner, so this will be a thick line, so from here to here. But this one will be hidden from me, so we have to draw this with short dashes line like this. So don't forget that we want to draw the auxiliary plan of this cube. That's what we want to do. So this base also will be drawn with a thick line from here to here. Alright, so having obtained this, so I'm going to number this point. So this point is point 1 prime, so this is point 4 prime, and this point will be 2 prime, so while this will be 3 prime. Okay, so I'm going to call this 1, this is 4, so this is 2, and this is 3. Okay, so as we have it there, so the next thing that we are going to do is to know the angle at which the object is being viewed. So the angle at which the object is being viewed, as I'm going to have it here, is 45 degrees. So we are viewing it at an angle of 45 degrees to the horizontal. So this is the arrow. Okay, so this and the angle, so the angle here, as I said, is 45 degrees. So alright, so So here we have this to be 45 degree. Alright, so that's 45 degrees. So that means we have to use our 45 degrees set square to project a line or a line from each point on the front elevation, since we are drawing the auxiliary plan. So then so from this point we draw a line at an angle 45 degree. Then from this point to here, or 2 prime, so we draw a line in this direction. So from point 4 prime, so we draw a line in this direction, and from point 1 prime, so we draw a line in this direction. So I just move away a little bit, and then I will draw this line like this with my 45 degrees set square. So this line has to be at a right angle to these lines that we produce from this base. Okay, so now when I'm moving the object in this direction, I'm going to see this point. So this point now, which is point 3 in the plan, so I'm going to fix it here. So this is point 3. So I need to get other point, that is point 2, point 1, and point 4. So how can we get that? So that's where the work will be done. So what we need to do now is to draw horizontal line from this point like this. So from point 1 here, we draw horizontal line. Okay, so from point 3, so we draw horizontal line, and from point 4 we draw horizontal line to this side. Okay, now having done that, so I'm going to so this vertical line that I've drawn here, I'm going to complete it like this. Okay, alright, so now looking at this, now this is point 2, so this point is point 2, this is point 1, so this is point 3, while this one is point 4. So what I will do now is to take my compass. So I take my compass, putting it at point 3 here, I will take it to point 4 here. Alright, so putting at point 3, as I've located point 3 here, I will make an arc here. So I'll make an arc here. Okay, well, let's do it like this so that it can be quickly, we can quickly get it. So follow this line 4 here, this line 4 that we produce from the base of the front elevation. Just follow it. So then come to this center here, to this point. So make an arc at this point like this. So this is point 4. Okay, then from 3 to 1, from 3 to 1 here, is it, from 3 to 1 here. So we follow line 1 that we drew from here. So on this line, so we put at this point, and we make an arc here. So this is point 1. Okay, then from 3 to 2, so bringing it here to this point. So we follow this line 2 here. Okay, so getting to this point. Okay, so we make an arc here. So this is point 2. Alright, so we are going to connect this together. So we can see this line. So when we are looking at it in this direction, so we see this line. So that means we have to make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, so also, so we make this line here a thick line from here to here, and then this line will be hidden from us. To be hidden from us, we draw it with short dashes line like this. Okay, so also we draw this with short dashes line. It will be hidden from us. Alright, so that is the base. So the next thing that we are going to do is that with our 45 degrees set square, we are going to draw a line from this point. So draw a line from this point to here. So let it go up like this. Also from point 1, draw a line like this. Then we have drawn that of 3. So from point 4, draw a line like this. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that with the same 45 degrees set square, so we are going to draw a line. So from point 3 here on the top of the front elevation. So this is the top of the front elevation. So we draw a line from this point, from point 3, and it goes like this. Okay, so it goes like this. That is from point 3. Then from point 2, we draw a line from here, and it goes like this. Alright, so okay, so from point 4, so we draw a line. So from here, so it touches this line. So that is line 4. So let's stop it there. Then from point 1 here, so we draw a line in this direction to meet line 1. Alright, so let's locate all those points. So for following this line on 3, so as it go like this, so this is point 3 here. Here we have point 3. So following this line on 2, so coming to this point, this is point 2 here. And following this line on 4, so this is point 4. So, and then following this line on 1, this is point 1. So we are going to connect these points together. So we connect this point. So we connect them together. So now we connect. So here we have what we have. So let me call this. So let me call this. This is 3 prime. So this is 4 prime. This is 1 prime, and this is 2 prime. So I will connect this together. So connect 4 prime, 1 prime together. And I will connect. Oh. Alright, so I made a mistake here. I put point 1 on this line 2 here. So this is where we are supposed to have point 1. This is 1. So we have 1 prime here. Sorry for that. So I'm supposed to join 4 prime, 1 prime together like this. And then we connect. So 3 prime, 2 prime together like this. And then so we connect 1 prime, 2 prime together like this. Okay, so this line, we are going to make this line a thick line. That is line 2, 2 prime. So line 3, 3 prime, so we make it a thick line. And line 4, 4 prime, so we make it a thick line. So while line 1, 1 prime, so will be drawn with short dashes line. So that will be hidden from us. Alright, so this is the cube. This is how the cube will look. So this is the auxiliary plan of this cube with the way the plan is positioned. So thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.